To change the voice style using by Bixby on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap Bixby. Tap language and voice style. Under voice style section, select the desired voice style you like to use. You can tap each voice style to listen how it will sound when it's applied.
My name is Bixby.
Hi, my name is Bixby. Hi, my name is Bixby.
As a note, if the offline processing option is on, you need to download the voice style before you can use it. By doing this, now Bixby will talk to you by using the selected voice style. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.